What would happen if Mars and Earth switched places? Obviously, Martians would be delighted with the new arrangement. A fairly modest increase in Mars' temperature would melt the polar caps and liberate gases from the soil, flipping Martian climate into a new, cozier state, nearly as warm as Earth, in an article for us in 1999. Planetary scientist Chris McKay envisioned terraforming Mars by building factories to pump out greenhouse gases, proving that one man's poison is another's elixir. But moving the planet closer to the sun would certainly do the trick, too. Earthlings would get the short end of the deal. Sunlight would be half as intense and the planet would freeze over. On the plus side, we'd instantly be half as many years old. Amazing, isn't it? Can humans live on Mars? The idea of living on Mars has been a staple of science fiction since the 19th century, when American astronomer Percival Lowell speculated that the channels on the red planet were really ancient canals built by intelligent extraterrestrials. Do you believe? But if this sci-fi dream were to ever become a reality, what would it be like to actually live on Mars? Well, let's first think. How long can you live on Mars? This, by the way, is called a Hohmann transfer orbit. And you would be able to live on Mars with the process of H2O and O2. Mars is an unpleasant place. It's cold, full of deserts, and has a very little oxygen or gravity. The average annual temperature on Mars is 64 degrees, negative 64 degrees, if I do say so myself. At its hottest, Mars could hit 80 degrees near the equator in the middle of the day. In the Martian winter, however, temperatures could fall to negative 199 degrees Fahrenheit. That's why the first requirement for visiting the red planet would be a spacesuit. So let's think. How long does it take for us to get to Mars in the first place? This is, by the way, is called a Hohmann transfer orbit and is the mainstay of interplanetary space travel. It depends on the details of the orbit you take between the Earth and Mars. The typical time during Mars' closest approach to Earth is every 1.6 years. And 1.6 years in Mars is about 260 days. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more videos and stuff and things, hit the like and subscribe button now, because they're really fun to click.